There is a mysterious AI model that's making waves across the internet, and nobody knows who created it. It silently has appeared on LM Arena and is generating a lot of buzz in the AI community. And this just isn't another AI tool making bold claims. Based on widespread testing and reports, this could be the most advanced image editor we've seen to date. People are describing the results as disturbingly good and genuinely mind-blowing. The consensus is clear. This tool is operating at a level that challenges what we thought was possible. This is nano-banana, a new AI image generator and editing model that seems similar to Flux.1 context. Rumors suggest that it might be a Google project, but it has not been confirmed yet. So far, what we do know is that it excels at text-based image editing with great precision. People report exceptional capabilities in character consistency and scene building that exceed typical AI image tools. I had to see these capabilities for myself, and the results were genuinely surprising. The first test was to see how it handled environments. I uploaded this portrait and prompted it to place her in a coffee shop. The result? Both images placed her in a coffee shop. Gemini changed her features in the picture on the left, but put her in a working pose. The picture on the right, nano-banana took the original picture and changed the background exactly to a coffee shop. The next test involved aging the room to look abandoned. On the left, well, Quinn aged the woman herself. Nano-banana on the right took a different approach. The couch looks like it's seen better days, and spiderwebs appear behind her on the wall. What makes this model different? Users report several breakthrough features. First, advanced reasoning capabilities. While most AI models generate literal interpretations of prompts, this model demonstrates logical thinking in real-world scenarios and physics. Secondly, consistency. The ability to maintain character identity, lighting conditions, and scene layouts across edits is amazing. This includes preserving text elements and logos, something that typically challenges AI image editors. Currently, it's only accessible through LM Arena, where nano-banana images appear randomly. You can explore nano-banana yourself through lmarena.ai. Make sure to choose Battle from the drop-down menu at the top. Afterwards, click Generate Images at the bottom of the prompt box. Then upload your image if you want to edit an image. You can also just describe an image and two versions will be generated. People have already used this model for different projects, and when it comes to character consistency, this has proven to be one of the best models. This opens up yet another door to many possibilities. We'll likely see even more impressive demonstrations of what's possible. Keep an eye on this space. The story is far from over.